Understanding Docker Architecture. In this video, we'll break down the core components of Docker architecture, including images, containers, Daemon, and CLI, to help you understand how they work together. Docker images are read-only templates that contain application code and dependencies built from a Docker file. Containers are lightweight, runnable instances of Docker images, isolated yet sharing the host kernel. The Docker daemon manages containers, images, and networks, listening for API requests and orchestrating processes. The Docker CLI allows users to interact with the daemon through command line commands to manage Docker resources. Docker images serve as the foundation for containers, encapsulating everything needed to run an application. They are built using a Docker file, which specifies the environment and installation steps. Containers, derived from these images, offer an isolated environment for applications, ensuring consistency across different systems. The Docker daemon, Docker, is crucial for managing the lifecycle of containers and images. It handles requests from the Docker CLI and can communicate with other daemons for distributed container management. The Docker CLI is the command line interface that allows users to create, manage, and interact with Docker containers and images. It provides a straightforward way to execute commands and automate tasks within the Docker environment. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this explanation of Docker architecture has clarified how its components work